Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, I'll be telling you about the ways how you can get more calls as a software tester. Now, many of the people are messaging us that they are not getting calls as a software testers, whether the job market is going up or it is going down. So how would be the job market? So there are so many questions that we are getting in the DM. Not only that, but in the last 1 or 2 hours, we did one live session. And that also we were getting the same questions, whether the job market is up and why are they not getting calls. So in order to assist you with respect to the calls, I have created an ATS friendly resume template with projects. In the resume, it is very important that you should include the projects. If you are not including the projects along with the domains, along with the technology tools and tech stack that you have worked on, then it becomes difficult for an interviewer or for the recruiter to scan your CV to shortlist your CV, right? So this ATS friendly resume template with the projects would assist you a lot. You should definitely avail this product today itself. It's available on the top mate. So I'll be putting the link in the description as well as in the comment section of the video so you can avail it. Now coming to the agenda of the video, how you can make sure that you get the call. So what are the different strategies that you should use in order to get the calls, right? So let's start from LinkedIn. So LinkedIn is a very active platform, right? Many people are there on LinkedIn who are getting the job opportunities from LinkedIn itself, right? So what you have to do is if you want to join any company, let's say you want to join some XYZ company. So figure out which are the active people from that company who are posting on LinkedIn. Yeah, I can understand this is a kind of a project itself which you have to do, but you will have to do this in order to get the calls, right? Build the relationships with them, talk to them, right? You have to build your brand on LinkedIn, right? Every company has got some employees who post regularly. So these people will help you, right? So approach these people. Many times people do come and tell us that, yeah, there are no referrals, but there are referrals. You have to approach the right people, right? Another aspect is go to your school and college level connections, even the company level connections, right? You can search for the college on LinkedIn, click alumni, and if you will uh, check on that, you'll find some particular people who would have completed their course, their education from your school, and they might be working in some other company, or who would have completed the graduation from your university at the college level, and they might be working at some of your dream company. So you just message them. There are chances that 70% of the people will refer you, right? That's again a very good hack. Then job switches. So always watch for the jobs changes. So when you see the hiring managers, they are switching their job, go and congratulate them. It might happen. You might be seeking a job opportunity in their project, in their company, right? So congratulate them. Make sure that you are having a good connection with them. You are already reaching out to them before you get a job, right? So start building the networking. The network is very important with respect to the job opportunities, right? See, India's job market is projected to grow by 9% in 2025, right? So definitely IT, whether it is retail, telecommunication, BFSI, these domains would be in demand. So you have to ensure that you try getting the job opportunities soon as possible, because if you see January month, if you see March month, February month, in all these months the calls are coming. Not only that, but I have been connecting with so many people who are sharing their success stories also with us. So they have told, even though they have removed open to work from the LinkedIn profile, or they have removed their profile from the Naukri.com, still they are getting the calls from the recruiters. And you will directly get the emails, you'll directly get the cold messages from your particular uh, recruiters itself, right? Even though you get a job, still there are chances that you might get those calls. They might approach you for the opportunities, right? So you have to build such kind of a rapport, you have to build such kind of profile with them, right? Next is I will be telling you about the 372 method. What is this 372 method? So each week you have to comment on 3 industrial level posts daily, right? You have to connect with 7 new people and you have to write 2 posts about your expertise, right? And this is a weekly target. I am sure that many of you might be doing more than this. It's good. If you're doing less than this, at least try to come up to this number. If you're not doing this at all, then you have to ensure that you start doing it, right? 372 method. So each week, this is a weekly method. You have to comment on 3 industry posts daily. You have to connect with 7 new people, and you have to write 2 posts about your expertise. It can be expertise you are having with respect to functional testing, with respect to any testing concept, with respect to automation testing, Selenium, Java, DevOps, Cypress, Predictor, Playwright. There is so much to write on LinkedIn. This simple routine, it will not only help you to boost your profile, it would also assist you to get your profile seen by the right people, right? So the right people would come on your page, they will start connecting with you. That's where your LinkedIn will grow, right? So these things are very important. And apart from that, I'll also tell you not only the 2 job portals you have to focus on. So generally people focus on these 2 job portals only, that is Naukri and LinkedIn. But apart from that, you can also search for the job opportunities on glassdoor.com. So Glassdoor is also a very active portal, job portal, in which you can get a lot of job opportunities which are there with respect to your experience, with respect to your skill set in your particular location. So you should definitely go for job opportunity search on Glassdoor portal as well, right? That is also a very important portal, right? So there are a lot of people who are telling me that they are not getting calls. But if you follow these particular steps, these are actually growth hacking steps, right? This is how the growth will come to you. This is how the people will approach you on LinkedIn. People will approach you with respect to your brand. Once your brand is created, automatically people will start connecting with you, right? So make sure you are following these particular things from today itself, and comment to me in the comment section of the video itself. How do you find this video? Which particular point you feel is easy enough and you would start going for that particular, implementing that particular point daily, right? That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to avail the uh, projects related ATS friendly resume link with the projects. So that's a template which will definitely help you to get more and more calls with respect to software testers, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.